The DJ about to play my shit. The DJ about to play my shit. So why me go dumb in this bitch? Goddamn, I'm lit, 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 lit. Goddamn, I'm lit, 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 lit. And I've been going in, going in, going in. And I've been going in, going in, going in. Goddamn, I'm lit, 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 lit.
What up, Dream Team? So here today I'm basically going to be, I wanted to do my bathtub, but then thought I gotta bathe, so I don't understand why people put Orbeez in their bathtub. But anyway, I got this glass container and I'm gonna try to see how much one bag of Orbeez will fill it up. I ordered these offline. I just got the color blue. It looks like a lot of them. It's supposed to be 1,000, I think. So I don't know how big this is gonna blow up, but yeah, let's just get this started. So I'm just gonna pour this in. Ooh. All right. So here's kind of what they, I guess, look like. They start off hard, and as y'all can hear them dropping in already, but they kind of look like this. How tiny they are, and they're hard or whatever. I done dropped some on. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna pour these in. Cool. All right. So now that the packet is empty, I'm gonna go to the bathtub and add water. So come on. I am being lazy and I don't want to walk downstairs, so I'm gonna fill it up in the bathtub. This was pretty heavy. I'm just basically taking the something to dry the bowl off with, since the outside got a lot of water on it. I didn't fill it all the way up because I don't know how much I'm gonna need, or if I even need to buy like another pack. So there's that. So I kind of want to take it off this towel and put it like on something where you can see it actually building, but that's basically how it looks. Alrighty, it is 6:02. Well, now 6:03. I need to charge this Fitbit because it's about to die. But anyway, I guess I'll check back within like increments of time and then just add it on there what time it is or whatnot. But see y'all in a few. It hasn't even been a full like 5 minutes and they already like swelling up. Like, it's crazy how big they have already gotten. It is 6:33, so it's been about 30 minutes or 33 minutes. And they are growing only in 30 minutes. It is now 7:30. So a good 2.5 hours. So I'm actually thinking, like, I think this is actually the biggest they are going to get. So I probably need to empty some water out and buy like another bag if so, because I think these are the biggest that they get. And it didn't even take a full 2 hours, so that's really good. They already got this huge, like, pretty cool. Alright, so the look that I'm going for, I'm gonna actually, this is gonna be like a little flower pot for some flowers that I want to put in the top. So I kind of want the bottom to have like that water feel, but of course with the Orbeez. So I'm just taking out some of the water and dumping it out, like without the Orbeez being inside, so that I can get to the final look. And I'm just carefully like trying to fill it up without putting any of them in there. And they pretty much blue, so you can see when they actually come inside. Like that's why I'm using this clear colored one. See, like you can kind of see inside. Well, it's nothing inside of it, versus if you accidentally get some of them in there, you'll see it. Like you'll see them in there. I'm wasting water, Lord. The little method I'm getting now, since I'm down to like the nitty gritty of it, I'm just putting my hand like over the cup and letting the bubbles like suck the air in without the Orbeez coming inside the cup. Yeah. Now, I don't know why I poured that back in there, but now you kind of see like what it's looking like. Sorry. What it's starting to look like, you know? But I kind of want to have the look of like this, like where it just look like, you know, the Orbeez balls versus the excess water. So I'm gonna continue to drain some of the water out, and I'll come back. Y'all, this feels like so good. Like I just want to keep rubbing my hand in it. Like they feel so good. It's like a weird feeling. But this is kind of the look I'm going for the bottom of my flower glass to be looking like water. I actually think I'm gonna buy another bag of them, just so it can at least get to like the halfway mark. If double that, it'll be by here. So y'all will see how it is. But this is basically the final outcome. I don't know. This just feels very weird. It's like weird because if you try to like squeeze them and stuff, they just literally slip out of your hands. Okay, I'm having too much fun with this. So this glass bowl is already heavy without these things. But yeah, that's the look I was going for. I just want to add a little more actually to it eventually. But yeah. And I'm happy I did not put these in my tub. So if you are thinking about doing this, don't put it in your bathtub because you're just wasting your time. But, well, as y'all can see, I've ordered way more, filled up this whole entire thing. Like, they literally fall out everywhere. I water them every so often, like not a lot. But I had to water them, and they actually, like, start pouring out to now have like big thick cups like filled all the way up with them. But I was just trying to mix them around just so that, you know, some of the water, the ones at the top, could get more water in them so they can, you know, expand and stay big as well. But they've been falling everywhere. But anywho, trying to lose my ring now. But yeah. So the last one y'all saw, it was like barely, but now it's like literally overflowing. So I bought so many more. Oh, you see they fall everywhere. I'll literally be throwing them away in a minute. Throw that one out. So that concludes the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get it. Let's go. Yeah, I think this is gonna be overfilled. Okay. Well, I still got like half a cup, so. And this is like the water down here where it's blue. Once they absorb even more, they're gonna keep probably coming out. So I probably can't add as much water as I thought. But yeah, that's it. So there you go. Here's your Orbeez.